Okay, on this particular door, there is a channelway and you have to put some trim in it. In the directions, they tell you to put the leading edge, the longer edge, in the channel and then push in the other with the back hand. I'm saying that this will cause you pain and you can't get enough pressure on it. All right, so to continue the video, I found a better way. All I'm doing is taking a pair of channel locks with a handle, and I'm going to use that. And that way I can push it in without causing any pain, and it works easy. So if you see this, this isn't in yet. So what I'm going to do is push on the inner edge as I run it down. And I can make sure, actually many times I can hear it clip in. So I'm getting down to the bottom. I'm going to have to cut it, but if I continue down here, it'll put it in. All right, let's put a little more in. So I would advise you not to follow the video and try to use your thumb, because you're going to end up with two things. One, extreme frustration, and two, a very sore thumb. So give this a try, and it's a hack around trying to push this foolish thing in with your thumb.